Hello everyone. Let's see about application of statistics in corporate sector. Business analytics. Business analytics refers to the skills, technologies, and practices for continuous iterative exploration and investigation of past business performance to gain insight and drive business plan. Example of analytics: decision analytics, descriptive analytics, predictive analysis, prescriptive analysis. Basic domain with analytic: behavioral analysis, coherent analysis, competitor analysis, cyber analysis, enterprises analysis, financial service analysis, fraud analysis, etc. History. In later years, the business analytics have exploded with the introduction of computers. This change has brought analytics to a whole new level and has brought about endless possibilities. As far as analytics has come in history and what the current field of analytics is today, many people would never think that analytics started in early 90s with Mr. Ford himself. Challenges. Business analytics depends on sufficient volume of high quality data. The difficulty in ensuring data quality is integrating and reconciling data across different systems and then deciding what subset of data to make available. Statistical finance. Statistical finance is the application of geophysics to financial markets instead of the normative roots of finance. It uses a positive framework. It includes examples for statistical physics with emphasis on emergent or collective properties of financial markets. Stylist facts. Stock markets are characterized by bursts of price volatility. Price challenges are less volatile in bulk markets and more volatile in bear markets. Price challenge change correlation are stronger with higher volatility, and their autocorrelation die out quickly. And almost all real data have more extreme events than suspected. Volatility correlation decays slowly. Trading volumes have memory the same way the volatilities do. Past price changes are negatively correlated with future volatilities. Research objectives. Statistical finance is focused on three areas: empirical studies focused on the discovery of interesting statistical features of finance time series data aimed at extending and consolidating the no stylist facts. The use of these discoveries to build and implement models that better price derivatives and anticipate stock price movement with emphasis on non-Gaussian methods and models. The study of collective and emergent behavior in stimulated and real markets to uncover the mechanism responsible for the observed stylist facts with an emphasis on agent-based models. Financial econometrics also has a focus on first to these three areas. However, there are almost no overlap or interaction between the community of statistical finance researcher and the community of financial econometrics researcher. Behavioral finance and statistical finance. Behavioral finance attempts to explain price anomalies in terms of the biased behavior of individuals, mostly concerned with the agents themselves, and to the lesser degree aggregation of agent behavior. Statistical finance is concerned with emergent properties arising from systems with many interacting agents and as such attempts to explain price anomalies in terms of collective behavior. And finally, criticism. For the subject, the description of financial markets blindly in terms of models of statistical physics has been argued as flawed because it has transpired these do not fully correspond to what we know about real finance markets. First, traders create largely noise, not long range correlation among themselves, except when they all buy, all sell, such as during a popular IPO or during a crash. Thank you, everyone.